I will take you inside the new building. We'll start with the basement first. So the basement is basically academy. It's a lively incubation center inaugurated by Giriraj Singh. Okay, so this particular whole basement is where we are running the academy currently. So we have like beauty lab, Ayurveda lab, and our other parts of the hospitals are used as a training center as well. So we have like 2 classrooms and then a beauty and therapy lab as well, so that they can train and do the treatments. Since today it's Mahashivratri, so academy is closed since the students have been given the leave. So this is our new yoga hall setup. So this academy was started in 2018 end. So since that time we are having this new floor completely meant for training purposes, and since 2018 end till now we have trained over 1000 students plus. So our conference room, our main admin and office area. So from here I can give you a ground level of the unconstructed land as well. So these are all the pillars which has been pre-existing and quite strong.
क्लासरूम्स ये हैं हमारे। और इस साइड प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग मिल जाती है। तो यहाँ
So this is the other side, main washroom. We have male female, a storeroom. This is also another hall we have, but we are using it as storeroom right now because it's not being required. This is another common office we have, which is being used by as a waiting area mostly. So this was the basement, which is the academy. I'll take you to the Medispa now. This is our main reception. And this is the main cabins for the doctors. This is a store. We have 2 washrooms this side. This is our office. So this is our another entry, the ramp entry for the people who are on wheelchairs and all. We have plenty of parking this side. Now we are entering the Medispa. Lights on करो भाई सबके, सारे lights on करो। इधर की करो पहले, इधर के पीछे की जहाँ पे भी हो सारे ऑन करो। So this is a relaxation area mainly, and this is a mini salon area. वहाँ पे उसकी लाइट सारी ऑन करो. Yeah, so this is a mini salon area. We have two hydrotherapy sections. This is the male section and this is the female section. It's a kind of a replica, so I'll take you towards the female section as of now. So this is our complete setup. We have a locker area, we have changing rooms, we have proper washrooms as well for like all the treatments and all. We have proper hydrotherapy room for hip bath and then spinal bath. Tamfa, Sara, light on karo. Yeah, so this is a whirlpool area. This is a sauna area. This is a jacuzzi area. The sauna and the infrasauna sauna both we have. This is circular jet. Then we have chill shower as well. We have a Turkish bath as well. The full setup is for complete Turkish bath. Then we have treatment areas. So these are the models of the dry rooms we have, which is only meant for treatments and massages. No wet therapy happens. So that way we have in total 9 rooms. And in these 9 rooms, 6 rooms are the dry rooms. And we have 3 multi-purpose rooms, which is the wet room as well. And these are these 3 rooms. So the multi-purpose room has a setup of this. It has a whole Ayurveda setup plus a cabin for shower, sauna and steam. So the multi-purpose rooms are like this. We just had a patient in this. So this is the whole Medi Spa. The new building has a structure of 7,500 per square foot in every floor. So right now we are operating on 15,000, which is Academy plus Medi Spa. We have another floor up which is partially constructed. The walls are there, but the outer fabrication, electrical, plumbing and all that's left. So I'll take you upstairs. This is the floor where we are sort of planning to develop new private rooms which are a little bit luxury, so that we can have people come and stay with us for longer durations, the ones who are not comfortable with the ashram setup but they want a little luxury. So this is the unconstructed part. Only the wall structure is there as of now. We have a plan of 11 rooms here plus few more therapy rooms, and this outer area completely for the open yoga garden terrace kind. So these are all rooms. So these all rooms have big bathroom space as well, which can accommodate a luxury jacuzzi tub if necessary. And this is the future plan for this particular floor. The behind unconstructed part, we have a permission of making up to 6 to 8 floors, and there we are further thinking that we'll combine allopathy as well along with our let's say more alternative therapies and a bigger space in terms of academy and training. So this is our terrace, and we have solar facility, water filtration, everything here. So from here you can see the old building structure as well. So from grey wall that side, our boundary is still, you can see our other gate near the white car. So that is our whole property that side. We have a road in between, and this side is completely our property as well. And I'll just give you a view from the whole upper area. So you can see the old building, and these are all our solar and filtration setups and all. So I'll give you a simple view of that side as well. So this is the main route we are giving for this building, because it's just a L turn. You reach from the main highway, get down T point, and the first left leads to this gate. So this is Alcon International School, just next to us, and the front building which you see is East Delhi Public School. So we are kind of surrounded by schools from all sides. Even that property in that end is Bapu Public School. And this is the whole view of the unconstructed part from above. As I said, that school, that is another East Delhi Public School. This is Alcon Public School. Here we have another kind of road which leads to Pandav Nagar and all these areas. So that's the whole structure of the Mayur Vihar phase 1 property which we have. This is the new building from other side. We have two main gates. In the last video you could see the first gate. This is the second gate, which is the main entry of ours. From here it is close to from here the straight road, you take a right and it's the main highway. So this is the existing new building, and this is the unconstructed part from the other side. So the all smaller rooms you can see, these are our store rooms basically. Right now we have a cow shed as well in the back. Okay, so this is our old building. This is the main structure. So it's starting from this wall, the grey wall, till the end of the road. So till the where you can see the car parking, that's our boundary. So this is the main hospital. This was started in 1985. So this is our Ayurveda section for the training, and this is our main reception area. This is a small medical shop where we keep all our Ayurveda and naturopathy products. And this is a treatment side. This is the oldest building we have. So this is the garden area. We have a small temple there, and then we have a staff quarter that side. This is our existing reception.
Hello.
So till the green boundary wall, that's our whole property. It's extending towards the back to the staff quarters as well. So it goes till the yellow wall you see, that's the staff quarters. So that's one side of the building. That side, in across that gate, we have a school as well, which is sort of a non-profit school. So that's another 1 acre property. This is our physiotherapy department, the whole green wall and the red wall thing. And this is our main IPD stay. All the above floors and the ground floor that side are having room and quarter. So we have a 50-bedded hospital. This particular window area. We'll go from the inside. It's all therapy treatment area. We have admin on the first floor in that particular window area. So as you can see, this is our physiotherapy department. This is our billing department. So we have all these things in this particular building. It was started by Bhutta Singh, as in inaugurated by Bhutta Singh. And these are the semi-private rooms we have. This is our canteen. So it's a canteen which can accommodate easily, let's say 25 to 30 people at one go. This is the back side of the old hospital. We have another gate here. This is basically not used. Mainly it's used just for the vendor purpose entry and all. So these are our main two treatment sections. So most of the treatment sections have a structure like this. So inside the rooms and all, it's roughly another 5,000 square feet both sides. This is the, I cannot take you inside because patients will be there, but it's roughly, you can say, 4,500 square feet each side. So this is the male treatment section again. So the look and feel of each treatment section is like this. Inside these rooms we have roughly 7-8 rooms each side. So these are all our private stay rooms. This floor is completely meant for stay purpose. So it's private and semi-private rooms. The basic room structures are like these. 2 beds each with bathroom, small balcony, TV, AC, fridge combo. This is our admin department. I'm taking you to another floor. So this is our full-fledged old yoga hall, and it is mainly used for events and morning and evening sessions. This building is having lift since we are having 3 floors here. And most of our patients are arthritis patients, so lift is a compulsion. This is our terrace area where we have general ward for male and female, which is a 5-bedded setup. Then we have our R&D department also here, where therapy wise we are conducting a lot of researches on different diseases and the impact of naturopathy, yoga and Ayurveda on them. So this is mainly the structure of old building.